What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the vlog. Today we're going to be installing an exhaust system on the EK. So I bought this exhaust just because it doesn't give you that raspiness. So let's unbox it. Let's see what it looks like. So here we have the resonator pipe, and I want to say this goes to the muffler. And as you can tell, honestly, the welds and everything, they're amazing. It's pretty cool because it actually says like made in Japan, so it's pretty cool. So we're gonna jack the car up and we're gonna get this exhaust on. Hopefully, well, I know it won't be hard, just because my exhaust is hanging by my header right now, so this is going to be an easy install. Alright, so this is what I mean by it's going to be the easiest exhaust ever. Because all I'm going to have to do is take the muffler off, because it fell off. So let's get this all together and let's see what it sounds like, because I'm dying. Alright, so let me say this would have been one of the easiest, fastest exhaust system to be put on, but as you can tell, the age of it, it's been around, and I noticed that it needs a header now, because the piece that connects the header to the mid pipe or whatever pipe is rusted on there. So now I have to go find a new one. So I'm still gonna bolt it up and everything, test fit everything, so whenever I get a header, just for now, hopefully I can find one cheap, either like eBay, Craigslist, or Facebook Marketplace. So yeah, that's the end of this video. So hopefully, screw it. I'll put everything on and I'll show you guys what it looks like. Alright, so I got the exhaust on and everything. It looks great. It fits phenomenal, honestly. And here. So as you can tell, it sits flush. It doesn't stick out at all. They supply you with the bolts, the nuts, the gaskets and everything. Kind of sucks that yeah, I can't even hear it. But maybe in the next one I'll have a header by then. But all you do is you have these 14mm bolts that you just want to take out, and then up by the header is 14mm bolts also. So to do the job, you just need to take out 4 bolts and draw out the exhaust and everything. In my case, it kind of just was rusted from age and everything and not really being taken care of, but whatever, it doesn't matter. I'll get it fixed, and hopefully you guys like this. I don't even know if I should even call it a exhaust install, but for what it is, I'm really happy with how it looks and everything, how it fits. It fits perfect. Yeah, so hopefully next time or next video we will actually have a sound clip. So hopefully you guys like this little video. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Have a good one.